Tired of washing dishes every day? Let me show you a compact solution, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher that fits right on your kitchen counter. This portable dishwasher supports up to 6 place settings and comes with 8 washing programs, making it a powerful option for small homes, apartments, dorms, or RVs. 6 place settings capacity. Bigger than most mini dishwashers, it can handle plates, bowls, cups, and utensils for a small family. 8 washing programs. Includes options like normal, speed, ECO, glass, baby care, and more, perfect for different cleaning needs. Energy Star certified. Energy-efficient design helps save electricity and water compared to traditional dishwashing. High-temperature wash. Delivers hot water cleaning to remove grease and sanitize dishes effectively. Compact countertop design. Fits easily in small kitchens while still offering powerful performance. Larger capacity than most mini dishwashers. Great for couples or small families. Energy efficient and cost saving. Uses less water and power than hand washing or full-size machines. Multiple cleaning modes. Flexible options for everything from delicate glassware to heavy-duty cleaning. Requires faucet connection. Unlike some models, it usually needs to be connected to a tap. Takes up counter space. May feel bulky in very small kitchens. This is perfect for small families, apartment living, or anyone who wants a more powerful countertop dishwasher without going full-size. If you want a compact dishwasher with more capacity and powerful cleaning, check out the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher using the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.